24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano fundamentally certainly really is floating at $562,408,727 in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. ADA down roughly 4.6% inside the truly in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, which is genuinely huge. Cardano's EMA10 explicitly shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. Cardano especially most certainly shows negative force throughout the end of the week, which by and large basically is very huge. 17 December 2023. In this video we will especially explicitly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for pretty lovely in every practical sense. 1 week from now and by and large sincerely attempt to answer these regularly generally for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what entirely is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Cardano, certainly in a real sense is ADA a genuinely wise venture, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way, or so they thought. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on in a kind of sort of huge manner, which generally is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping entirely profound into the ADA specialized examination, generally explicitly really let us in every practical sense, all things considered, discuss the by and large current economic situations, which sort of especially is very huge. Market examination over the kind of especially certainly last 24 hours, there basically for the most part really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the pretty in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,585,909,977,976 in an unpretentious manner. The especially complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $47,197,296,274 in an unobtrusive way in a very huge manner. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner in a very huge way. Which in a real sense for the most part generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,853.52 level after a decay of 1.6%, which in every way that really matters explicitly is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 1.35%, coming to $2,223.18 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83, following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time period in a quite exceptionally huge manner. XRP, the especially by and large local coin of XRP fundamentally truly is somewhere near 0.94 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, which generally for the most part shows that market investigation over the truly last 24 hours there especially basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very really whole digital money market to $1,585,909,977,976. Which for the most part in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Solana came to $72.86 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 4.98% in esteem in a fundamentally truly in every practical sense significant way. These occasions basically really show that the market explicitly especially is going in a really descending course for kind of exceptionally momentary in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. Right now, a genuinely broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how ADA down roughly 4.6% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, kind of sort of commonly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize reasonably truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in every way that really matters, all things considered, is a level at which purchasers quite the most part become genuinely basically more sort of especially in every practical sense, dynamic and generally in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how which by and large sort of commonly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,853.52 level after a decay of 1.6% in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense basically is a level at which vendors truly become move especially most certainly in every way that really matters, dynamic and basically especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in every practical sense, further appearance, how yet prior to jumping pretty sort of essentially profound into the ADA specialized examination. In every practical sense, sort of truly let us explicitly fundamentally discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they for the most part commonly thought in a truly significant manner. Following especially actually essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA by and large in a real sense has recorded a downtrend, losing 4.6% in genuinely most recent 24 hours, so furthermore, Solana came to $72.86 in the wake of seeing a decay of 4.98% in esteem. Which for the most part fundamentally generally is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. The truly current worth of Cardano actually really is drifting at 59 cents, with the exchanging volume of $562,408,727 United States dollars in the equivalent time span in an unobtrusive way, or so they thought incredibly. The truly by and large market cap for ADA basically generally is $20,903,798,642 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.23% throughout the week in a sort of huge manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 17 December 2023, inside an especially by and large, certainly day-to-day time period, basically made sense of underneath, which for the most part is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner, which truly is genuinely huge. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of certainly most certainly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including actually most certainly basic moving most certainly truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Cardano in a very enormous manner in a real sense. The ADA United States dollar moving pretty genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer explicitly generally is showing a really lovely present moment for the most part in every practical sense, explicitly sell especially entirely signal is the MACD line in every way that really matters. Basically sort of is moving underneath certainly most certainly by and large sign line which explicitly truly implies sort of basically bears basically are overwhelming on the lookout, which very for the most part is very huge. While ADA's Williams %R pointer sort of certainly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, truly signal for the most part certainly is truly conceivable at this reach, so Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for 17 December 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time period, actually explicitly made sense of beneath. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought in a genuinely significant way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and basically is attempting to basically sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous